The bedbug is one of the most frustrating and difficult pests to control. If you've spotted one, you'll want to immediately start treatment because they multiply rapidly. But before carrying out any kind of chemical or non-chemical control for bedbugs, it's important to first know exactly where to treat. Unlike roaches or ants, bedbugs are not attracted to baits, so you must treat directly where they harbor. The best way to start is to divide your treatment area into two classifications: primary and secondary treatment areas. A primary area will be where you sleep and rest frequently. This will include your mattress, box spring, bed frame, and headboard or footboard. Secondary areas will include nightstands, dressers or armoires, chairs, behind baseboards, behind electrical plates, inside lamps or clocks, behind picture frames or curtains, and in carpets or rugs. You'll want to check each area thoroughly, looking for droppings, molted skin shells, blood stains on your sheets or mattress, and any actual bedbug activity. Bedbugs like to hide in tight spaces, so be sure to focus on those spots when doing your inspection and treatment. First, check the lining or any tufts of your mattress. You can run your fingers along conducive spots to pick up and easily identify any droppings or skin shells. Then check behind your headboard or footboard, inside and under your bed frame, and don't forget to check the inside of your box spring. Move on to secondary areas by checking behind any nightstands and dressers, under clocks and lamps, behind electrical plates, and behind or inside wall decor. Use a flat-ended object and check where carpeting meets baseboards, and check the inside of electronics. Don't forget to check and treat areas in the home that you or others frequent, like living rooms, dining rooms, kitchens, and most importantly, other bedrooms. Bedbugs can be extremely difficult to get rid of, but knowing where to spray and taking the pesticide directly to them will put you one step closer to eliminating your bedbug problem. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.